Imagine sinking 4,000 meters into the ocean. No sunlight, no sound, no way back. The pressure around you is powerful enough to crush a submarine, and yet, something is alive down there. Deep beneath the waves exists a world humans were never meant to see. A place called the Abyss, a realm of complete darkness, temperatures close to freezing, and pressure hundreds of times stronger than at the surface. For a long time, scientists believed this environment was almost impossible for life, because without sunlight, how could anything survive? No plants, no normal food chain, no energy source. But then explorers discovered something that changed everything. The deep ocean was not empty, it was hiding an entire world. Thousands of meters below the surface, there are places where life does not depend on the sun. One of these places is around hydrothermal vents, cracks in the ocean floor where superheated water escapes from inside Earth. The water is filled with chemicals that would be deadly to many creatures. But here, life thrives. Tiny bacteria use a process called chemosynthesis. Instead of using sunlight like plants do, they use chemicals from the Earth itself to create energy. These bacteria become the foundation of a completely different ecosystem. Around them live giant tube worms, blind shrimp, strange crabs, creatures that survive in a world of darkness. And this discovery created a shocking possibility. If life can exist without sunlight on Earth, could it exist somewhere else in the universe? The deep ocean is filled with animals that look like they belong in a science fiction movie. Take the anglerfish, a creature famous for the glowing lure attached to its head. In the endless darkness, it creates its own light, a tiny signal floating in the blackness. When another animal gets close, the anglerfish strikes. Then there is the vampire squid. Despite its frightening name, it is not a dangerous predator. It survives in places where oxygen levels are extremely low, conditions where many other animals would die. And then there is the giant squid. For centuries, stories about enormous sea creatures were considered myths, until scientists finally discovered they were real. A creature stretching several meters long, with massive eyes built for seeing in the darkness. But some deep-sea creatures are not terrifying because of their appearance. They are terrifying because of how long they can survive. Deep in the cold waters of the ocean lives the Greenland shark. It moves slowly, almost silently, but it has one incredible ability. It can live for hundreds of years. Some scientists estimate certain individuals may live over 400 years. Think about that. A shark alive today may have existed before many modern inventions, before entire generations of humans were born. The deep ocean rewards creatures that save energy. Speed is not always important. Patience is. Survival is. The most mysterious thing about the deep sea is how much we still do not know. Humans have mapped parts of the ocean floor, but large areas remain unexplored. Hidden mountains, unknown ecosystems, creatures that may have never been seen by human eyes. Every expedition brings new discoveries, a strange animal, a new adaptation, a reminder that Earth still contains mysteries, and the deeper we go, the stranger the discoveries become. The creatures living thousands of meters below the surface show us something important. Life does not always need perfect conditions. It does not always need sunlight. It does not always need an environment that feels familiar. Life adapts, it changes, it finds a way. The deep ocean is not a lifeless void. It is a hidden planet inside our own planet, a place where creatures survive impossible conditions, and where countless secrets are still waiting in the darkness. Because the greatest mysteries on Earth may not be above us, they may be beneath us. The deep sea proves that life is far more resilient than we imagine, because even in the darkest places on Earth, life finds a way.